මොකද මේ අද ලෙසන් එකේ මේ අපි resistivity and resistance ගැන කතා කළා. ඒකේ exam questions එකක් හදන්න ඕනේ. So normally there are many MCQs from this section, and first I like to give you a question, and I have given you the worksheet of this, and this is the 7th question from 1994. Right, 1994. Right, it says that two conductors A and B of uniform cross-section and made of the same material have equal volumes. A, B wires දෙකක් තියෙනවා and made of the same material have the same equal volume. Same material කිව්වහම resistivity same. And equal volume කියලා කියනවා. එතකොට කියනවා if the area of the cross-section of A is 4 times that of B. A කියන එක්කෙනාගේ cross section එක 4 times that of B. Same volume නම් length should be 4 times. Same volume එකේ cross section එක මෙයාගේ cross section එක අපි we write the cross section of this one A. This one is 4A. So this should be L and this should be 4L. Right? This should be L. This should be this area 4A, and this area here is 4. The length is 4L. Right? So now resistance of this one is 2 ohms. R equals 2 ohms, right? R equals 2 ohms. එතකොට කොහොමද හදාගන්නේ? The equation එක තියෙනවා දන්නෝ R equals rho L over A. එතකොට අපිට equation දෙකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේ. එකක් මෙයාට ලියුවොත් 2 කියන එක. අපිට directly proportional කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද this rho is equal for both wires because both the wires have made with same material. So we don't need to think about that. The length here is L and the cross section is 4A. And this one, the length is the resistance, we have to find that. And the length is 4L and the cross section is A. Now you can divide these two. 2 over R equal make a make a reciprocal multiply 1 over 16. 4 into 4 multiply that. R equals 32 ohms. Answer එක 5th one. So ඔයගොල්ලන් may the use of just proportionality. Don't need to use the complete equation, right? You can just use the proportionality and you can write the equations for two instances, and then you can divide them and can get a value for you can take a value for the ask quantity, right? So මේ method එක use කරන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. ඒතර දැන් මේ තියෙන ගණන් අපි ගොඩක් ගත්තොත් ඒකේ ඒ විදිහට එන්නේ. ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරගත්තාම හරි ලේසියි. ඊළඟට බැලුවොත් question එක බැලුවොත් question number sheet එකේ තියෙන එක 30th question. ඒ කියන්නේ year එක 2004 ඒක 2004 ඒක තියෙනවා two wires of equal cross section areas but having lengths L and 2L. ඒතර මෙහෙම තියෙනවා L 2L. මෙයාගේ resistivity rho 1 rho 2, right, and it has the same cross section. මෙතන පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙනවා අපිට ළඟට අපිට resistors in series and resistors in parallel, they equivalent resistors. අපිට ඒක හොයන්න තියෙනවා, but here you can understand that two resistors, these two can be considered as two resistors which are combined in series. හරි. එතකොට මේකේ combination එකේ අපිට හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ effective resistance. මම ගන්නවා R කියලා. effective resistance R කියලා ගත්තොත් ඒකේ මේ combined resistivity එක මම ගත්තොත් එහෙම rho කියලා මම ලියන්න පුළුවන් R equals rho L කිව්වහම දැන් මේ දෙක එකතු වෙන්නේ අපි ලියන්නේ මේ composite වලින්. එතකොට මෙතන 3L වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේක එකතු කරලා 3L වෙන්න ඕනේ. over cross section එක same. Because we just then the variable, right? And the equations for the wires separately. So here I can write R1 equals rho 1L over A, and R2 equals rho 2. It is 2L over A, right? So when two resistors are combined in series, you can just add those resistors, right? If අපි කරනවා ඊළඟට මේ equivalent resistors, but normally මේක කරනවා. ඒත් ඊළඟට මේක තුන substitute කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. මේක මෙතන ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මේ දෙන්නව මෙතන ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So A equals R1 rho 1L over A plus rho 2L over A. මේක කට් කරගත්තාම L එක කට් කරගත්තා, A කට් කරගත්තා. So now you can write rho equals rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 over 3. එතකොට ඒක answer එක තියෙන්නේ 5th one. 5th one, right? And then we can move to the 34. That is the question from 2005. Question from 2005, right? So you can see a circuit diagram here. A simple one, it is like this. A thick wire A and thin wire B. A thick wire A and a thin wire B. AB. Having same length, right? Having same length. Made of the same material. Made of the same material. Again, the resistivity is same. are connected to a battery as shown in the figure. The length of the two wires are the same. Consider the following statement, right? A, taking both A and B have the same resistance. Both A and B have the same resistance. Right? Because the cross sections are different. Because this one is thick and this one is thin. Definitely same length, same resistivity. So according to R equals rho L over A, it was a bit velocity of electrons in A is smaller than that in B. Bit velocity. So now you have to write the equation there. What is the equation? V equals I over A in E. Right? V equals I over A in E. Now according to this, now since these two are in series then the same current. If the resistors are connected in series, same current is flowing through them, right? Then the I is constant, and their the electron density, that means the number of free electrons in 1 cubic meter, that is same. එතකොට එතනින්ම අපිට කියන්න හැකි මේ C එක free electrons densities in A and B are different කියන එක මේක හදන්න යනකොටම තේරෙනවා that is wrong, because when you take these two wires from the same material, that cannot be changed. එකම unit volume එකේ එකම material එක ඇතුලේ unit volume එකේ තියෙන electrons ගාන වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. It's like normal regular density. So when you take two pieces from one material having two different sizes, the density of those two does not change. Electron density change when there. So if that is not going to be changed in this equation, this one is constant, the charge of electron is constant, and n is constant. So the drift velocity inversely proportional to the cross section. So you can see here, if the cross section is large, the drift velocity is small, right? So that means the drift velocity of electrons in A is smaller, right? So the cross section is smaller of A than B. So because of that, this A wire has the smaller drift velocity of electrons. So only the statement B is correct. So the answer is the second one. Only B is true. That's the question number 34. But then we can move to the question number 52, which is from 2012 new syllabus question, right? 2012 new syllabus question. 2012 new syllabus question, right? Two copper wires have the same volume, but wire 2 is 20% longer than wire 1, right? So wire 1 this is wire 1, and the wire 2 is 20% longer than this. 20% longer than this. Wire 2. Right? So length, if I take the length of this one is L, make a 1.2 L. Right? It's like 1.2 L. And they have the same volume. They have the same volume. But again, the same equation that we have to put. So V equals AL, and that means L inversely proportional to A. Right? So now that means that means the cross sections of these two are going to be different. So if the cross section of this one is A1 and the cross section of this one is A2, I can write two equations, two proportionalities, right? L directly proportional to 1 over A and 1 over A1, and L 1.2L inversely proportional to 1 over directly proportional to 1 over A2. So now you can divide these two to get a ratio between A1 and A2, right? So it is we divide this one from this one from this one. 1.2 equals 1.2 equals A1 over A2, right? Divide by 1.2 equals A1 over A2. Okay. Oh. Then using R equals rho L over A, so you can see that the lengths are different, and because it's taken from the same material again, yeah, both are copper wire. So R1 equals R1 proportional L over A1 and R2 proportional to 1 over 2L over A2. එතන divide කරනවා. පෙගහන්නේ R2 අනිත් පැත්තට divide කරනවා R2 over R1. එම ගත්තොත් අපිට එනවා මෙතන එන්නේ A1 A2 අපිට එනවා A1 over A2 කියලා එනවා divide වුණාම R2 වල divide කරන්නේ R1 ගෙන්. එතකොට මෙතන reciprocal එක එනවා it is here we have A1 over A2, that A1 over A2. බලන්න අපි ලිව්වා හරිනේ A proportional 1 over A1 1.2L එතකොට ඒ දෙක divide කළාම ඒක හරි. එතන R2 ගේ length එක 1 over right divide කරාම R2 R1 alright okay into 1.2 no issue මේවනේ ඉන්නේ R2 එක මෙහෙම තියෙනවා මේක reciprocal එකේ multiply සෙ මෙන්න මේ ratio එක මෙතන substitute කරන්න. So R2 over R1 equals 1.2 into 1.2. So R2 over R1 කියන්නේ 1.4. So it's the fifth answer. Right.